by the HPG as a discipline and motorist friendly zone. Starting today, or maglalagay tayong mga checkpoint dito and signages saying or announcing to the people that this will be a discipline zone already. Ang mangyayari, kung hindi sila ma-caught in the act at makatakas sila, and we will be utilizing alternative recording device, body-worn camera, for us to get the plate numbers. And I have an initial coordination already sa LTO. LTO will let them show cause why their driver's license will not be revoked in violation or doing a reckless act in violation of Republic Act 365, which is imprudence and reckless.